So hi guys, in this video I'll try to explain you how we can create Maven project in Eclipse. So let me close this windows. So what we have to do, first we have to go to the file, then we have to click on this new button, then we have to go to this project folder. Then after clicking on project, then you have to select this Maven. Okay, as you can see there is a Maven folder. In that we have to select Maven project, then we have to click on next. Okay, then one thing you have to note, you have to check this box, create a simple project, skip archetype selections. So after that you can give any location, either you can have a default location or you can browse it from here itself. You have to select the location where you want to keep your entire framework, entire project. Okay, then you have to go on, then you have to click on next button. Then here we have to give group ID, artifact ID. This is basically some unique IDs which have to provide while creating a Maven project. Let me create something like Selenium. So I created it. This packaging jar will be the same, and this is not required. This is after writing this group ID artifact ID, this is finish button is getting enabled. Just click on finish. Now this Selenium project got created with the name of your artifact ID. And now if you click on the Selenium drop down, you will able to see these many default folders got created. There is a src main Java folder, there is main resource folder, there is test Java, there is test resource folder, and this is the GRE libraries, and this is a pom.xml file. So this is very important in while creating a main event project. Here what we have to do, we have to add the dependencies of a Selenium jar file. So there are two ways. Either we can do manually by downloading the jar file, and the second way by using the Maven pom.xml. So here what we have to do here, we have to add, first we have to add the tag, this tag s, the XML tag. XML tag will be start from dependencies. Sorry, I have to create in the project cell inside project. So I'll give this open tag, then dependency. As you able to see in the suggestion, it is called dependency. Right click on it, tap on it, and enter it so that you can add the dependency. Now we have to go to the official website of Maven. So this is the official website where you can type Selenium directly. We'll type the Selenium. You are able to see Selenium Java. Just click on this Selenium Java, and here you can add the latest dependencies. Copy this part. This is the Maven one. Copy this and paste here. So after pasting it, you will see that it will start downloading in the bottom. So it's got downloaded, and it will show here in Maven dependencies folder. Everything will be shown here. So I think you will get more clarity about this. Now you can go to your test folder, search Java test. You can create a new package. Package name you can give Selenium, something like that. Finish, and you can also get the class name inside package. Package is a collection of the classes. You can give Selenium hello, something like Selenium world. You have to give this public static void main in order to run your program. So here I can give, and I can define my web driver. So let me create my web driver. This is the interface which represents variable as driver. Web driver is the interface. We have to assign some class that is a driver, which driver you want to invoke. I'm using this Chrome driver. Here I'm invoking it. Let me import this. So this will be imported from the Selenium package, Selenium Maven dependency package. So this is got imported. Very good. Now we have invoked the browser. Now what we have to do, we have to just click on the particular URL which we want to open. So let me copy any URL. Let me copy this maven.drupal.com. I'll be copying this and I'll just keep pasting. So this is required, HTTPS colon then double slash in order to invoke your browser. So let me first find out my title of my browser. Okay, so I'll click on title. I'll be printing in somewhere in system.out. So let me print this system.out println. Okay, here I can pass this value. This is not required. I can directly pass here. I can print something. Title of the page is, I can give this arrow so that it will look much better. Then I can do this arrow mark. So everything is set. Now we have to do the final colon. Let me invoke this browser. I'll go to the next Java application as like this, invoking a Chrome browser. So Chrome browser has been started the console. As you can see that the browser got launched and it's invoking the particular URL. So everything got passed. Let me go to the again console. Yes, the title of the page is coming perfectly. We have done. Thank you guys.